Welcome, today I am with Motorola Vervebuds 110 and I want to show you how you can check the serial number of this device. That's very simple. Take a look, right here I have the charging case of this device, and at the bottom after this markings we can find the number. So we have to scroll, I'm gonna zoom in to show you how it looks, and there is the serial number. As you can see in my case it's not visible, but if you have a new one, this number will be definitely better to notice. Or maybe when I twist this case like that, and this kind of the angle, it looks a little bit better, it's more visible definitely. So yeah, in this place you can find the serial number of the Motorola Vervebuds 110. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.